Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can challenge the Day of the Dead tour event in eFootball 2024. So this campaign on the way. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the objective or mission so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the dream team, tap the events, and try to search this Day of the Dead tour event. Campaign away accumulate 3,000 points and earn up one chest deal and 60,000 GP. So this is the reward chest deal Liga MX Day of the Dead 1. So this is Mexican League. You can also learn here including player that have a player bonus in your gameplay, etc. And this is you can receive bonus by adding player for following team from Mexican League. This is the reward you can learn. Just tap the enter, and this is Day of the Day, a Day of the Dead event. So you can match setting here. You can try match level if you are top player or if you are veteran. You can tap the legend or superstar. But if you are new in this game, you can try beginner, amateur, or regular. Tap done. This is a player control. You can learn. This is game plan, match history, and many more. So if you are ready, just tap to the match. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.